Hi everyone, this is Belle Bernard. So for today's video, I am going to unbox my new gimbal. This is not expensive, but it's very useful, especially for taking videos, vlogging, taking pictures also. So let's see. I'm not gonna show my name and my address. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, ayan siya guys. Oh. Gimbal stabilizer selfie stick tripod L08. So ayan. Then merong ano dito guys, ilabas ko na. Ayan. May cord dito. Then, tingnan natin kung itsura. Ayan siya guys. Meron akong gusto sa DJI. Kasong mahal eh. 4,000. Ito, nasa ano lang po. Less than 1,000 lang. Okay. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ito gamitin. Okay. Yan, tatry natin ha, paano gamitin. Okay. So, yan na guys. Yan. Yan, turn on mo yan. Tapos, okay. So, pagka landscape, ganyan guys. Pag portrait, ayan, pipindutin mo lang sa likod. Okay, so kahit magalaw-galaw siya, ayos lang. Oh, nakaganyan pa rin. Portrait pa rin. Pag landscape, sige, landscape daw. Click mo lang dito, ayan. So kahit magalaw-galaw, okay lang siya. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan. So, pwede rin i-ano. Okay. Ayan siya guys. Hindi gumagalaw. Stable talaga. Wow. Ganda. Ayan. Okay. Then, i-ano namin guys yung yan. Ayan. So, ayan. So, this is Bluetooth, guys. Ayan. Yan, connect niya po sa selfie. Okay. Okay, pair mo muna. So, ayan. Oh, yan. Pindot-pindot lang yan. Tapos, pwede siyang pahabain, guys. Kung halimbawa, yan. Okay, yan. Pwedeng pahabain. So, mahaba na siya. Yan. Yan, pwede adjust. Okay. Then, pwede rin stand. Stand. Yan, click mo lang para maging landscape. Okay, so, pwede rin gawing stand, guys. Oh, yan. Stand mo siya. Push mo lang sa ilalim, sa gitna. Ayan. Pagka nag-vlog ka cooking. Ayan. Ganda, oh. So, very useful, guys. And stable din siya. So, kung wala kang budget, ito muna. Ito muna, guys, ang bilhin mo. Kung wala pang budget. See, less than 1,000 lang siya. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. I hope this video will help you to find your gimbal. Yeah, especially if your phone has no stabilizer, so you will need this one. I really need this one because my hand is really shaky. So, even though my phone has I really need this stabilizer because sometimes I'm walking and, or running, so my hand is not stable. So this one is really helpful. My cat is here sleeping. So that's it. So if you want to know where I bought this one, I bought this one from Shopee. So I can give you the link if you want. Thank you so much. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So, ito yung box niya, guys. So, nakalagay lang dito gimbal stabilizer. Ayan. Okay, bye. Thank you. Ayan, ito yung itsura niya. Maganda rin ang rating niya, guys. Okay, bye.